Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is the really famous, popular gospel song Amazing Grace, played as a blues guitar arrangement. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free member account or a premium member account in order to get more advantages out of the Academy. So what are we talking about today? This arrangement here. And so on. I played it with finger picking, but you can also play with the pick if you want. But I'm going to show you the finger picking version. And it's a lot of stuff you can learn out of this, even if you're not so much into gospel. It's a lot of open string stuff, and you will see. Let's get started. Okay, guys. As I already said, I play this with finger picking, but you can also do with a pick if you want. I'll show you the difference just from the beginning. Let's play with the pick and with the finger picking. The sound is softer, more organic, but you can choose the technique which you like. From the technique here, it's not such a big thing because this arrangement is quite easy, honestly. We are in the key of A, and since it's a blues arrangement and Amazing Grace is really an old gospel song, it's a really simple chord structure. Here with A. So when we check the chords, we have A7, to D, to A, A7, So that's now we're putting the melody into the whole arrangement plus the chords, and let's get started. So the melody here is like this. You just play the normal A5 chord, and then you play the melody. Then you add the chord. So that will be the melody. But we also add the full chord. Then comes dega dega da. Now we add the melody and keep the chord. So we roll this here, or with the pick you just sweep down. Now you keep the open A string in the playing. And now you go in the high position and switch to A7 to slide up, and then you add the A7 after the melody. And now melody mix. And now we need to add a D. How do we do that? You can do this one here if you want, just the open D string, but honestly that's a little bit too easy. We make this one here. But it's the hardest part of the song. When you add this D here, 5th fret, 4th, and then a little bluesy lick here, back to A5. So I'm gonna play the whole sequence here now. Oh yeah, when you play this, you can play really smooth by just making hammer-on pull-offs. See, without attacking, you can make it sound more smooth. And then the blues lick. Then the whole thing comes again. But now it resolves to E. It's really simple. We have here 4 to 6, and then we make a lettering effect, and then we switch to E5. See? And now the melody makes da da da. So we need to adapt the chord to the new melody. Open A string. So this is the second entry phrase, and then comes the same thing as before. Same thing as before. Now we can either do the first blues lick or we make another one. Now we do 0, 3, 4, back to A5. Just another blues lick, okay? And now comes the final phrase. Same figure as before, but now we go to E6. Open E string, and we're in the 6th fret, 6th fret. Back to A5. And then we could go to E5, or we can make a blues final phrase here. Here, pink in the 7th, index in the 4th, then see the fingering, and then to E5. So let me play the whole thing now, and you can see it. Oh, you can add some vibrato effect on the, because a lot of time you press against the guitar. See, make this vibrato effect. Also here, oops. Also here the effect, second part. Yeah, one thing I need to mention, in some positions you quickly need to damp the strings, because when you have open strings on lettering, you quickly need to damp it, like here, you know. But you will know it. You will know it when it comes. So that was the open version. So without tempo, so you can really dive deep into these vibrato effects. Okay. Also here, you can really work on the sound here. With your technique, you create the sound on the guitar. You hear how the overtones alter the way you make the vibrato. That makes the big difference from just playing it or making music, that you have full control over your tone. That's more important than to play complicated stuff. Control over your tone is really what is needed, okay? So that was the open tempo version. Now you can do the same thing with in a groove. So 1, 2, 3, 4. same thing now in a tempo. If you want, you can start to do a groove then. What I do when I go into tempo, I try to do the 2/4, the 2/4 articulation here on the strings. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So that will be the basic figure to make a groove. See, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can start to add the whole thing. See, that's a way you build up kind of a solo thing. If you do chords and melody at the same time, you have a main groove and then you enter into this and add whatever you want. But you start with the theme, go in a slight improvisation, come back to the theme at the ending. Okay guys, that was the blues guitar arrangement for the gospel song Amazing Grace by HPCrazy. I hope you liked it. Honestly, I love this song because it's so simple and so has a lot of dignity, and somehow it made sense to make a blues version out of it, to give the gospel approach into this song. It works as really great. You can do this with the gospel choir if you want, or just guitar and the choir also works, of course. It's really up to you. Exactly. One more to say, I made some tabs of the arrangements which I just showed, and that's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Join there with a free member account, but in order to download the tabs and also to support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for the whole guitar community, please make a premium membership upgrade. It's really worth, there's a lot of stuff there. Yo, that's all me and Dr. Pink have to say. See you guys, and if you love this channel, share it to all your friends and say this is the guitar channel which you need to subscribe. Bye guys.